looks like art, there's a lot of hard work behind it. This is the new component painting system at Fendt's manufacturing plant in Marktoberdorf. Sustainable and highly automated, built within the existing building structures. A true masterpiece of industrial plant engineering, which was realized in collaboration with the general contractor Fendt, designed to meet the highest Fendt quality standards and to be as resource efficient as possible, with the aim of delivering durable components that can withstand the toughest operating conditions. Actually impossible was a response that the planners heard on a regular basis. Deep in the basement of the plant, within 2,500 square meters of existing space, all while building such a complex system, can't be done, they said. Challenge accepted. The team's unwavering determination was evident throughout the project planning phase. All the challenges, such as low ceiling heights or immovable columns, were integrated into the plan through constant solution-oriented thinking. Using digital simulations, 3D scans and visualizations, the team planned every detail down to the millimeter, including massive ventilation systems and state-of-the-art heat pump technology for cooling and heating, which is intelligently connected to the district's heating system. The work carried out by Fendt here is unparalleled, at the highest level of technical expertise. With energy-efficient components and environmentally friendly processes, the new component painting system makes a significant contribution to reducing the plant's ecological footprint and to the uncompromising quality promise of the Fendt and Fendt brands. After 61 kilometers of cabling, 73 project members, and 36 months of hard work, the first part of the extensive product portfolio could make its way through the system. Taking a look inside the system reveals just how well every process step has been thought through. The components undergo a 6-stage pre-treatment process involving degreasing, cleaning, and passivation, followed by an automated blow-off zone and an adhesion water dryer. This ensures a consistently high-quality finish in the subsequent painting process. Passivation ensures optimal corrosion protection and stable paint adhesion over the long term. Robots perform the demanding painting tasks with high precision to ensure process stability and the best possible surface quality. Once the paint has been cured in the drying oven, the components are prepared for assembly and installed on the tractor. The entire system is monitored from the control room, located 1 floor above. Everything is precisely coordinated. Everything is close together. A solution that is both technically sophisticated and complex, yet also powerful and state-of-the-art. The system embodies the innovative spirit of the Fendt and Fendt brands. It has made the impossible possible. This was achieved through courage, determination, and a great team.